नमस्ते, मैं हूं पायल रोहतगी। आज मैं आपके साथ इंफॉर्मेशन पढ़ने वाली हूं फ्रॉम द क्विंट। न्यू FIR अगेंस्ट दिलीप एक्टर आफ्टर ऑडियो क्लिप्स allegedly plotting to kill a cop surface. Dilip is an accused in an actor sexual assault case in Kerala. Days after incriminating audio clips concerning actor Dilip accused in an actor sexual assault case in Kerala came out, the state police crime branch has filed FIR against him. The case pertains to an audio clip in which a voice allegedly belonging to Dilip's brother-in-law Suraj can be heard talking about a conspiracy to murder the investigating official and deputy superintendent Baiju Paulos. The conversation allegedly happens between Suraj and Dilip and took place in November 2017 at the latter's house in Aluva. A series of audio clips from that period pertaining to sexual assault case were released by filmmaker Balachandra Kumar, who said he was a friend of Dilip. Reporter TV ने ये ऑडियो क्लिप्स रिलीज करी है. The Kerala government formed a new investigative team for the case in the light of the developments. ADGP, Additional Director General of Police, will head the team. KP Philip, Inspector General Crime Branch, will also be a part of this investigation. Station House Officer of Nidambasi will also be a part of the investigation team. Baiju Paulos, against whom the alleged threatening audio came out, will continue as the investigating official. In one set of audio clips, a voice allegedly that of Dilip could be heard saying that 5 police officials who were investigating the case would be dealt with. In another clip, a male voice says that only if they got out could they take revenge. A third audio clip, which has muffled voices, has one person talking about running a truck over Baiju Paulos. We may have to look at another 1.5 crores, says the voice. There is an audio indication in the clip that some others are listening. तनुश्री दत्ता ने ये जो सर्वाइवर है सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट केस की, उनको सपोर्ट किया है एंड शी हैज स्पोकन इन अ फेवर. शी हैड आल्सो फाइल्ड FIR अगेंस्ट नाना पाटेकर, बट नाना पाटेकर वाज गिवन अ क्लीन चिट इन 2019. शी का कहना है दैट इट इज वेरी वेरी एडमायरेबल that this lady is continuing her fight, and without a strong emotional financial support system, it sometimes gets impossible for young women to continue the fight against such vicious battles. Survivor ki statement has made to the official page of Women in Cinema Collective. The Kerala police is further investigating the case in which Dilip is one of the accused. The survivor was assaulted in a moving vehicle in Kochi in Feb 2017. अब यहाँ पर सच क्या है अबाउट दिस इंसिडेंट आई डोंट नो, बट मैं सिर्फ इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ. ये जो ऑडियो क्लिप्स रिलीज हो रही हैं एंड जिसका इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है फॉर इन्वेस्टिगेशंस, नाउ दीज ऑडियो क्लिप्स आर नॉट इन्फ्रिंजिंग द राइट्स ऑफ एनीबॉडी बिकॉज दीज ऑडियो क्लिप्स आर बीइंग यूज्ड इन अ थ्रेटनिंग मर्डर इन्वेस्टिगेशन एज वेल एज इन अ सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट केस. तो मैं इस केस के आधार पर ऑब्वियसली पॉन्डर कर रही हूं कि कैसे द सुप्रीम कोर्ट विल पास अ जजमेंट in the favor of the thought process that recording a wife's phone call without her permission is infringement to her privacy. ये जो audio clips release हुई public platforms पर, either of Menka Gandhi or of actor Dilip and his friend, collaborating to threaten or kill the police officer, ये audio clips भी तो illegally record करी गई है और public platforms पर release करी गई है. यहाँ पर infringement of right to privacy के ऊपर बात कोई क्यों नहीं करता? तो मैं खाली कोरिलेट करके समझाना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज आई बिलीव लॉज नीड टू बी इक्वल फॉर एवरीबडी. इफ रिकॉर्डिंग टेलीफोन कॉन्वर्सेशन इज एन इन्फ्रिंजमेंट टू द राइट टू प्राइवेसी, then this is applicable at all levels. This is applicable at all levels. If the government is recording the citizens via Pegasus software, if the phone calls of public persons are being recorded with their permission, without their permission, then it is applicable at all levels. Because it is very, very important to understand that the law needs to be addressed in a similar fashion at all levels in all cases. If Menka Gandhi's audio clip that was released that showed her abusing a veterinary doctor because he behaved in an unethical manner, if that was not an infringement to her privacy, then recording a wife's phone call by her husband should not be an infringement to her privacy. And obviously the use of actor Dilip's audio clips against him in a case which incriminates him and makes him an accused in a sexual assault case should not be an infringement to his privacy, because rules have to be same for all in all cases dealing with the same aspect. That is my thought process. Namaste, Jai Hind.